Hello. What I'm going to show you now is how you can take your e-learning created in openelms.ai AI and sell it through the system called Thinkific. So we've gone to thinkific.com and we can sign in for a free trial. I've already signed up, so I'm just going to sign into my account and show you how we've created a course. Here we have the homepage. So on this page, we can see the revenue, the leads, the new accounts we've got, and we can see all our products. Our products are basically our learning. So this is where we'd put our e-learning courses. If we have a look at products, we can see there's different types of products we can create. We can create courses, we can create communities, digital downloads, memberships, video libraries. I only want you to have a look at courses, as this is basically what we're interested in with regards to uploading our e-learning. So here we got one course called GCSE History, Crime and Punishment. And what that is a collection of our e-learning modules we've pulled together and we're selling at a single price. Now, the great thing about Thinkific is it takes care of all the costing. So if you want to add a payments engine to it, it's very easy to do. Basically, you just click, you enter your bank details, and it creates a payments engine for you. So it takes care of all of that, and you keep the majority of the income from this, as you're not selling it through another system. You're selling it yourself. You're creating your own mini business, your own microsite, and you're then publishing that through and promoting that through your socials. So here we have our history, GCSE, crime and punishment. And what this is this is just a collection of what we call lessons. So here we have the first one. And this is the format we take. So the first one, we're basically going to tell people about what's in the upcoming e-learning. So here we have crime and punishment in Anglo-Saxon England, and we have an introduction, and we have an overview. Now, this is taken directly from openelms.ai. The next step is the e-learning, and so we have the e-learning for crime and punishment in Anglo-Saxon England, and we have the URL, the shared URL taken again directly from openelms.ai. And we continue this. So here we have middle age crime, we have a title, a content, and we have the e-learning. Impact of the church on crime and media. We have the title, the contact, and then we create a new lesson for the e-learning. And it's just those three fields you need to input. If we just show you what this looks like, once you publish it, it will look like something like this. So we've got our menu on the side. We have an overview of the course, of that module, and then we have the e-learning itself, which you can access, and you can cycle through it as you would do with any e-learning. And that's essentially how you create e-learning using openelms AI and Thinkific as a platform for selling the content once it's created. Hope you enjoy using it, and let us know if you have any comments. Many thanks.